Your single-door refrigerator and freezer have a variety of shelving and storage options to optimize your space and make cleaning easy. Adjusting them to fit your needs and lifestyle is simple. You have adjustable shelves that can be moved to customize your space. To adjust, remove all food from the shelf and lift the front edge to release the tabs from the rear slots. Then, pull the shelf up and out. Move the shelf to the desired position and insert the tabs into the rear slots and slowly lower it until it locks into position. Now, you'll learn how to remove or rearrange one of the adjustable door bins. The adjustable bins are designed to hold large containers or storage bags and can only be used in the zones indicated on the screen. To remove a door bin, grasp the ends of the door bin. Lift the door bin up until it clears the locking lugs. Pull the door bin straight out toward you. To install a door bin, make sure the locking feature on the bin aligns with the mounting lugs on the door. Lower the door bin into the mounting lugs until it locks into place. Additionally, your door bins come with dividers that allow you to customize your unit to fit different sized items as your needs change. Your single-door refrigerator has a slide-out shelf that can hold differently sized containers and food types for your convenience. To remove the slide-out shelf, first remove all items from the shelf. Then, pull the shelf out until it is fully extended and lift it out. In addition, your single-door refrigerator has a TasteLock Plus Crisper with auto humidity control drawer. It is equipped with a PureAdvantage produce keeper, which is designed to keep produce tasting fresher. The Smart Crisper technology removes excess moisture and blocks out dry air to help prevent your produce from spoiling. To install your produce keeper, follow these simple steps. Remove the filter holder from the back of the drawer. Take out the old filter. Remove the plastic wrapper on the new filter. Insert the unopened packet into the holder. Replace holder into the drawer. For optimal results, we recommend replacing the refill every 6 months, along with your air and water filters. Your single-door freezer has adjustable metal shelves that can be adjusted for smaller or larger packages. To adjust the shelves, remove all food from the shelf and lift the front edge to release the tabs from the rear slots. Then, pull the shelf out. Move the shelf to the desired position and insert the tabs back into the rear slots and slowly lower it until it locks into position. The slide-out shelf provides easy access to the removable ice storage bins. The left-hand bin is the primary location for holding dispensed ice. If you prefer more ice, simply move the bin to the right and put the other bin in its place. When not holding ice, the right-hand bin can be used for additional storage, or you can remove it to use the slide-out shelf for storage. To remove the slide-out shelf, first remove all food from the shelf. Then, pull the shelf out until it is fully extended and lift the shelf out. The soft freeze zone drawer remains slightly warmer than the freezer interior for convenient storage of soft freeze items such as ice cream. The lower drawer with dividers works great for food that may need to be separated. The drawer can easily be used with the dividers or without by removing or adding the inserts. To remove a divider, grasp and pull it upward until it disengages with the door bin. To install, slide the divider downward into the corresponding door bin alignment features until it is fully placed. We hope these tips help you make the most of your single-door refrigerator and freezer space. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit us online on the Electrolux website. For better living, Electrolux.